What's up, guys? It's me, the Last Clone from Last Clone Studios, and welcome back to another Moc Monday. I'm really excited for this episode because this Moc Monday turned out really fabulous. You guys wanted me to build Ahsoka's bombing before she left the Jedi Order, where she's trying to escape, getting chased by clones and all that. And I built that for you guys. It has turned out really amazing, and I know you guys are going to like it. I've also tried a new editing style, so please be patient with me as I'm trying to kind of explore different types of editing and all of that. Also, one more thing before we get into just kind of the time lapse, so to speak. Moc Mondays are going to be at a halt. I know that's sad, but I entered Coconut Brick Studios mock contest, which means that I will post updates instead of Moc Mondays for now, but this mock is way bigger than I ever imagined, so we're definitely going to have to build a really big mock for Coconut Brick Studios. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to comment down below what I should build next for future Moc Mondays, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy!